Just a week ago, Samsung made a buzz by officially unveiling their latest flagship phone, the Galaxy S24. With this release date set for January 31, the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra have been subjects of anticipation and curiosity. Consumers are eager to know if these devices are worth the investment, considering the advancements they bring to the table. Before hitting the market, various tests are underway to evaluate key aspects such as performance, battery life, camera quality, and more. Initial tests on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, however, have revealed some notable issues. For instance, the camera performance is inconsistent, with picture quality dropping notably when zooming beyond 10x, especially when compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Despite a 1.9 times larger vapor chamber designed to cool down the new Snapdragon chip, the Ultra model faces significant thermal throttling during intense usage. Interestingly, this overheating issue is absent in the Exynos-powered Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus models. Acknowledging these concerns, Samsung is taking proactive steps. The company plans to release a software update for the Galaxy S24 series on January 23 to address performance and camera functionalities. This update is expected to be pre-installed on retail units or available for download shortly after the customers start using their new phones. Considering the significant upgrades and early launch of the Galaxy S24 series, Samsung might roll out additional software updates to ensure optimal functionality, a common practice in the smartphone industry. Switching gears, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's durability faced a challenging test in a recent drop test video by PPK Reviews. Featuring a titanium frame and a flat screen with new Gorilla Glass called Armor, the phone aims to resist scratches better. However, the drop test revealed that while the titanium frame resisted scratches well, the screen suffered a small crack when dropped face down from waist height. The phone, however, continued to function despite the crack. For potential Galaxy S24 series buyers, it's worth considering investing in a phone case for added protection against accidental drops and potential damages. Moving on to software updates, the Galaxy S24 series comes with an updated version of the One UI software. Samsung plans to roll out the One UI 6.1 update for various Galaxy devices in the first half of 2024, with specific details shared on the Samsung Community Forum. The Galaxy S23 series is expected to receive at least one more One UI 6.0 security update before upgrading to One UI 6.1, with an upcoming patch scheduled for mid-February. In the realm of luxury editions, the Galaxy S24 Ultra Caviar era of the Dragon series by Russian company Caviar offers unique, customized models coated in titanium, featuring distinctive patterns, 24-karat gold, and even a fully functional mechanical watch on the back. These exclusive editions come with a premium price tag, adding a touch of opulence to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Shifting focus to artificial intelligence features, the Galaxy S24 series introduces Live Translate and Interpreter, enhancing real-time translation during phone calls. Other AI features include Chat Assist for in-app message translation, Note Assist for interactive note modifications, Transcript Assist for voice recordings, and Generative Edit suggestions for photos. Additionally, the Circle to Search feature allows users to search for items using Lens in any app by circling the item of interest, providing a seamless and intuitive search experience. If you found this video informative, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. Stay tuned for more updates, and until next time, peace out. Now let's talk about the specifications of Samsung S24 series. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a beacon of innovation in the smartphone industry, redefining what we expect from our mobile devices. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this groundbreaking device, showcasing why it's more than just a technological advancement. It's a glimpse into the future. Exquisite design and build. The S24 Ultra marks a significant shift in design philosophy for Samsung. The transition to a flat screen, moving away from the curved edges of its predecessors, is not just a stylistic choice. This change enhances the phone's structural integrity, making it more resistant to the rigors of daily use. The sleek gray color and matte finish lend an air of sophistication and class, emphasizing its premium build quality. The introduction of a titanium frame is a game-changer. This choice of material is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, offering a lighter yet sturdier build. This not only makes the phone more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, but also adds an extra layer of durability. Display, a visual feast. Samsung has always been at the forefront of display technology, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen boasts a resolution of 3088 x 1440 pixels. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a buttery smooth visual experience, whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching videos. The screen's peak brightness of 2500 nits/2 guarantees excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, enhancing its usability in outdoor settings. Revolutionary camera system. The camera setup of the S24 Ultra is a marvel of modern technology. The primary 200MP sensor is a leap forward in mobile photography, promising incredible detail and clarity in every shot. The quad camera array also includes a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, making it a versatile tool for photographers of all skill levels. This setup allows users to capture everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups with equal finesse. Performance. Powerhouse on the inside. At the heart of the S24 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chip is not just about raw power, it's about smart, efficient performance. Coupled with 8 GB of RAM, the S24 Ultra handles everything from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications with ease. The 256 GB of internal storage offers ample space for all your needs, ensuring that you never have to worry about running out of room. Battery life and charging. The 5000 mAh battery of the S24 Ultra is designed to keep up with the demands of modern life. It supports fast charging with a 45W wired charger, fully wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. This flexibility means that not only can you quickly charge your phone, but you can also lend a helping hand to your other devices when they're running low on power. Operating system and user experience. Running on the latest version of Android, the S24 Ultra provides a smooth and intuitive user interface. Samsung's One UI complements the Android system, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. The ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor is a nod to the importance of security in today's digital age, providing a secure yet convenient way to unlock your device. Connectivity and additional features. The S24 Ultra is equipped with a full suite of connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and ultra-wideband UWB. These features ensure that the S24 Ultra is ready for any kind of wireless interaction, whether it's connecting to the latest generation of Wi-Fi networks or pairing with a wide range of devices. Unique color options and aesthetic appeal. In addition to the standard gray, the S24 Ultra will be available in 3 exclusive colors: serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange. These options add a touch of personality and style to the device, catering to a range of tastes and preferences. The blue and green variants feature black middle frames, while the orange variant comes with a silver frame, each adding a unique aesthetic appeal to the phone. Pricing and market position. With an expected price of around $1,250, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is positioned as a premium offering in the smartphone market. This pricing reflects the advanced features and superior build quality of the device, targeting users who seek the best in technology and design. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a device that encapsulates the best of what technology can offer today and hints at what's possible tomorrow. As we eagerly await its official release, the S24 Ultra stands poised to not just meet but exceed the expectations of tech enthusiasts and average consumers alike. As we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the Galaxy S24 Ultra serves as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets craftsmanship. It's a device that promises to set new standards in the industry and redefine our relationship with technology.